Hey guys, just got a little tool haul I wanted to share with all you out there. I picked up these welding pliers at my local welding store. And I picked up this telescoping magnet with an option of putting a mirror at the end of it as well. Picked this up at Ace. This was like 16 bucks. This was like 30 bucks. So let's just open them up and check them out. These welding pliers are made in Japan. Something you don't see every day. But I was going to buy them off Amazon, but when I was at the welding store this morning, I saw them. I'm like, yeah, they're the same price as what Amazon is, and I'm right here. May as well. So they have pretty much everything you need for a welder's pliers. Everything looks pretty good, but like I've always said before, time will tell. See if it stands up to the abuse. So when I get some welding going, then I'll definitely check these out. I believe that's the brand name, Welper. You can see that. Can't really see that too good, but yeah, Welper. So anyway, yeah, looking forward to using those. So then let's go ahead and check out this mirror, or this magnet here with this mirror. Like I said, I have this at work. I like it, so I figured I may as well get it for at home too. And the fact that my other one got busted, so they packed this good. I believe this is made in the USA. So bear with me, guys. Let me get this out of here. Alright, there we go. So we got the mirror. We got this. It's got 16 foot-pounds of lifting power. That's what they say. So then that attaches to the end there. You can put it wherever you want. It's pretty self-explanatory. But anyway, yeah, there it is. Just wanted to share that with you guys. I think these are some good tools. I think they'll hold up well. I have good experience with this and no experience with these, so one way or another we'll find out, but I'll keep you guys updated on that stuff. But all right, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you later.